Ha 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 ha! It's Jen from the 90s. I loved wearing stuff like this. Butterfly clips, do you remember that? And crimped out, pimped out. What? Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite throwback snacks, which are flavored ice pops, but with natural ingredients. I'm going to show you how to make a whole bunch of different flavors. First up, blue. Yeah, blue is a flavor that I used to say growing up. I'm not the only one, right? You used to do that too. To replicate that blue color, I'm going to use one of my favorite ingredients. This is butterfly blue pea flour. It makes things super pigmented, really blue. I love this stuff. First thing I'm going to do is fill up this bowl with some hot water, and you're going to steep it just like a tea. Drop in the flowers. Right away, you see the flowers are starting to rehydrate, they're opening up, and look at that liquid starting to get nice and blue. Just let this sit here for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, we can blend up some blueberries. Just pop them all into a little food processor or a blender. Beautiful. Now, I have a bowl here with a strainer because I want to catch all of that pulp and skin. Now the cool thing about the blue pea flour is that when you apply anything acidic, so if you mix it with lemon juice or something, it changes color. So it goes from this beautiful deep blue into a purplish or sometimes pink liquid. It's amazing. So combined with the blueberry, I expect there's going to be a little bit of acidity, so it's going to be like a deep purple bluish color. Just going to drop that into the strainer as well. If you want to add a little sweetness, you can add sugar. In this case, I'm just going to add a little bit of agave. That's good enough. Ooh, I just realized I have pink glasses on. Look at this. I got a party on my face. It's like a mood ring in a bowl. You need one of these little zip bags. These are made specifically for ice pops like this. And the cool thing about it is that they have zip closures so that it doesn't spill when you freeze them. To fill them up, you can use a ladle and just carefully pour it in. It helps if you have one of these funnels. They're super cheap. This is a collapsible one. I use it for everything. So all you have to do is pop it in here. And then I have a little ladle and just pour it in the bag. I know what you're saying, Jen, this is purplish, but you know what? It's blue flavored to me, like real blue flavored. And there it is. This is how you get them in the store, right? When I was a kid, I would just sometimes drink it. These are done. Now I've got a whole bunch of bags here, so I'm gonna show you how to make 4 more flavors. Next up, lemon lime. Combine freshly squeezed lemon juice, lime juice, agave, and water. Then just fill them up in the bags. If you love cherries and berries, this one's for you. Take pitted ripe cherries and blend it with raspberries, strawberries, agave, and some water. Feeling bright and peachy? Try this orange peach. Combine freshly squeezed orange juice, ripe peaches, agave, and some water. Feeling tropical? Remember, it takes 2 to mango. Combine ripe mango, pineapple, a little bit of lime, and water. Then put everything in the freezer. Meanwhile, I want to see what it's like to play outside like a 90s kid again. Great, but I just remembered I'm an adult and I still gotta pay bills tomorrow.